Hi out there, you're welcome to my YouTube channel, Akinriwa Akimbowale Makiem. On this channel, you get the latest tips on entrepreneurship, how to make money online, and IT tutorials. I want to assure you, whatever you watch on this channel is legal and legit. This is because we don't give you videos that are not real. We try as much as possible to make sure we have tried whatever we post on this channel, and we are sure that we only post what works. So, if you are new to this channel, I would like you to subscribe to my channel and then turn on the notification bell icon to get notified anytime I post a new video. For my returning subscribers, I want to say a big thank you. Thank you for loving us, and we also love you. Without wasting your time, let us just jump right into the business of today. You're welcome back. I know you are here because you want to learn how to make money doing small jobs, or what we call micro tasks, online. But before we move ahead, the question is, how much can you make using this system? And the answer is that it depends on your availability. Some people make 2,000 naira per day, some make less. But it's not about the amount, it's about the fact that you can combine 3 or 4 of these websites. By the time you are making 1,500 naira per day from a website and you use 4 of those websites, that means you are making 6,000 naira per day. Or let's just say if you are making 1,000 naira per day from one website, then you use 4 of this kind of website, you are going to make 4,000 naira per day. So that is the big deal there. The money may not make you rich, but at least you can buy fuel in your car, you can do a lot of things. It's what we call side hustle. So let's continue. So without wasting your time, let me quickly introduce you to the websites that you are going to use for this business. The name of the website is NairaWorkers, nairaworkers.com. Now this is nairaworkers.com. Small gigs, big results. It's a crowdsourcing platform for individuals and businesses. Let me quickly run through the website before I explain to you how to register and then how you go about the business. Now it's for business owners and freelancers. Now I'm not talking about business owners, but I'm talking about freelancing, where you can take a survey, write an honest report, test an application, or follow on social media. For a freelancer, you select the jobs that you like. Small gigs are easy to do and require little time to finish. There are jobs like take a survey, retweet a business tweet, follow me on social media, download my application, sign up on my website, help promote content, and many others. With these jobs, anyone that you like, that you want to do, you just follow the instructions and then you get paid the money. Actually, some of them may be 10 naira, 20 naira, but there are things that you can do within 20 seconds. So like I said, if you have the time, 10 naira, 20 seconds, calculate how many of that you have in 1 minute, and then if you are doing it for 1 hour, there are some special ones that can give you up to 300 naira, 1,000 naira. Don't worry, I'm still going to show you those ones. Then the next thing, explore required tasks. Once you see a job you like, view the required task and the required proof. Employers may also ask for screenshots. Deliver work and get paid. Submit the required proof and get credited immediately after the task is reviewed. This is what I have done, and I know it actually works. Let me take you to the first step, how to register. Now to register, once you go to the website, there will be a link in the description box that will take you to the website. So just click on the link and then it brings you here. You go to the top right hand and click on register. Now you have what to do here: your first name, your last name, your username, your email, referral, which is optional, and then the password. Confirm your password and then you click sign up. Once you click sign up, you may be required to click some notification in your email box, the email that you have supplied. So that's not a big deal. Once you click the notification, then you are good to go. One good thing about this website is that you do not need money to register. You do not need money to register. Once you have activated your mail, the next thing you do is to log in. I have registered with them, so I have my login details here. Let me quickly sign in. It's loading. Okay, this is what it looks like. Welcome Yemak 2009. Now, this is the one we are interested in. Perform simple and small tasks. Click here to view available jobs. So once you log in, this is what you see. You see your dashboard, which shows you your own personal dashboard. Let me click this so that you see my own dashboard. Now, if you see my dashboard, you see that my balance is 828 naira. It's just 828 naira because I have not really taken time to be doing tasks on this platform. But just to tell you that you can actually make money on the platform. Then this is your profile. Here you get the available jobs. Let me click on available jobs. Now, this is what I'm talking about. This is a Telegram channel. You are going to be paid 7 naira 20 kobo maybe for joining the Telegram channel. I'm going to click on one and you know what it looks like. This is to share WhatsApp group link. You get 40 naira. WhatsApp group link 40 naira, 42 naira, 7 naira, 7 naira, 7 naira, 82 naira. PalmPay sign up, 10 naira when you join the group. Sign up and be rewarded 45 naira. Let me see, I think there are some. Okay, PalmPay when you register 82 naira. Bitcoin Satoshi 100 naira. Cheaper cash application 150 naira. Swagbox Chrome extension. This one is just for you to install an extension. Let me click on this and let's see. Now, use the link above to register on Swagbox and add the Swagbox Chrome extension to your browser. To add the extension, click on more. It is located in the upper middle part of your screen. Then you see Swag button. Click on it and add the Chrome extension. Check your mail after registration to confirm your email. Go to Swagbox dashboard after registration and click on answer. Then you see daily poll on the left side of the screen. Answer the daily poll question and earn one Swagbox. That's all. You must be a new user to do this task, desktop or laptop only. If you are registered on Swagbox before, please do not attempt this. So what are the required proof? A screenshot of your Swagbox dashboard showing the Swagbox extension and then the username you registered with. This is what they require you to do. Just something like this, and that's all. How much do you get for doing that? Swagbox, you get 45 naira. Imagine if you do like 20 of this, that is 900 naira. Is something per day, and that is not the one that has the biggest money. Branch application sign up 115. Now fair money sign up 599. Like I said, I will just click on one, but let me tell you the truth, the easiest or the fastest that you can do is to just follow on Instagram, like a Facebook page, and then subscribe to a YouTube channel. Let me see whether I can see YouTube subscription or follow on Instagram so that I can just do that. You can see there are so many things that you can do. So many things that you can do here. See? So many things that you can do. WhatsApp group, so many things. See? Join WhatsApp group, sign up. This one is 501 naira. Facebook page like and follow, 15 naira. Let's see this. Facebook page like and follow. Now this is it. Facebook page like and follow. You must have 150 plus friends. What is expected from the worker? Click the link, like and follow the page. Note, to avoid being penalized, if you have already done this before, then don't do it again. Now, link to the page. This is the link to the page. Require proof, just your Facebook name. So I think it's something that I can do quickly, and then I'll just put my Facebook name. What is required is to follow. You like this page and then you follow. That is all. I have done that. So what I am required to do is to just give them my Facebook name. Then I will now go. Let me see. Akinwale Makiem. That's my Facebook name. So I'll go back. Your Facebook name, Akinwa Akinwale Makin. That is all. Submit proof. Your proof has been submitted and will be verified. That is all you need to do. And that was for 15 naira. So if I want to continue doing it, how many seconds did it take me to do it? So you can do so many more, and I'm telling you, you can even make 2,000 per day. If you make 2,000 per day, that's 60,000 naira per month. Are you telling me it is not something? It is. It's something. So you just click on the available jobs and then continue. So if you want to withdraw, how do you withdraw your money? Just go to wallet. If you go to your wallet, this is what you have. Then you can just click on withdraw earnings. Withdraw earnings. You can withdraw your money when you earn over 1,999. So the minimum withdrawal amount is what? 2,000 naira, and then the withdrawal fee is 30 naira. Once you withdraw, the money will get to your account immediately. So it is not tougher than this. It's just an easy thing. Right now, I've explained to you how you can register, I've explained to you how you can do the micro job, and I have also explained to you how you can withdraw your earnings. So what are you waiting for? I want you to quickly look at the description box, click the link to this website, and then start making money. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you have any question on this again, I would like you to just drop it at the comment section. I will be happy to answer your questions. Before I go, let me tell you, it is very good if you are doing this on phone. On your phone, you already have your Instagram app, you already have your Facebook. So instead of searching all around on desktop, because I did this video on desktop, once you just click on follow, you do the screenshot and then you send it as a proof. So once again, thank you. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please look down and check the subscription button. Click on subscribe so that you get notified, and I mean subscribe, and then the notification bell icon so that you get notified anytime I post a new video. I am still going to post more videos on how to make money. Thank you very much. Once again, my loyal subscribers, I say thank you. Bye for now. See you at the top.